Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to another exciting video brought to you by RugDoc, where our mission is to help make DeFi safer. As always, remember that we are not financial advisors and this is not financial advice. It is always up to you to do your own research before making any financial decision. Are you looking for someplace safe to store your cryptocurrency tokens? Well, in this video, I'm going to be going over what a crypto wallet is, the best crypto wallets to invest in, and all the different types of crypto wallets from cold storage, hot storage, software wallets, hardware wallets, and more. Stay tuned for this video. Okay, before we dive into this video, I just want to let you guys know this is not financial advice at all. I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you learn in this video should be taken with a grain of salt only. Please do your further research beyond just watching this video. Okay, let's dive in with the first part. What is a crypto wallet in the first place? A cryptocurrency wallet is a device or piece of software that grants you ownership of your crypto assets. Although there are a few different types of wallets, all crypto wallets have two things in common. They come with a public key and a private key. A public key is basically a unique string of letters and numbers that serves as your wallet's public identifier. Not only can you safely share your public key with anyone, you need to share it if you want to receive funds in your wallet. You might be familiar with a public key whenever you're copying and pasting your wallet address. For example, if you're copying your address from an exchange or from your MetaMask wallet. Your private key, on the other hand, should not be shared with anyone. It's the piece of information that proves your ownership of the assets are tied to your wallet. When you decide to send crypto out of your wallet, the transaction must actually be signed off using your private key. Something to understand here is that a wallet doesn't actually store your cryptocurrency in the same way that a physical wallet holds your cash. Your crypto is actually stored on the blockchain. A wallet simply gives you access to your private keys. And you probably heard the term "not your keys, not your coins" before, right? This actually means if you don't have ownership of your wallet's private key, you actually don't own any of the funds in it. And this is basically the case if your wallet is tied to any centralized exchange like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. You see, when you store your assets on an exchange wallet, your private keys are held by that company on their servers or in cold storage. In effect, you're trusting them to secure your private keys from theft and use it to sign off on any transactions that you initiate. Because they manage your keys, they technically own your coins. You'll often hear these wallets referred to as custodial wallets. This isn't all that bad, actually. For many people, storing their funds on an exchange is not that big of a deal. After all, they do have top-tier security for the most part, and the likelihood of them losing your funds is actually quite low. But if you really want to have full control of your own funds, then you probably want to have your own wallet. Let's dive into the types of wallets here. First up, we have a software wallet. A software wallet is an application installed on your computer or smartphone that stores your private keys on your device, browser, or on a third-party server. They can be both custodial and non-custodial and are usually connected to the internet, classifying them as hot storage wallets. I'll talk about that later. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are a physical device on which your private keys are stored, making them inherently non-custodial. They're not connected to the internet, making them cold storage wallets. Now, if you're wondering what cold storage is, cold storage refers to your private keys being held offline, which guarantees safety by ensuring that not even the savviest of hackers can steal your keys. Because hardware wallets are designed to hold your keys offline, they are by definition cold storage wallets, but there are also some companies that now provide software wallets with offline key storage. I'll talk about that later. If you're looking to hodl large amounts of crypto for a long period of time, cold storage is undoubtedly the way to go. There is a downside of cold storage, however. It's that most users must be extra diligent in preserving a physical backup of their private key. You must have heard some horror stories of people losing their private key or accidentally throwing away a scrap of paper in which they've written down their private key. Well, in that case, there goes all their crypto and they can say goodbye to their funds forever. Now, there's also hot storage, and that refers to private keys being held on a device connected to the internet. This refers to most software wallets like MetaMask. This could actually potentially expose your keys to hackers and makes it even riskier than a cold storage wallet. The benefit is that due to its connection to the internet, hot wallets generally offer more utility than a cold storage wallet. It makes it much easier to buy, sell, and swap crypto, and often allows you to do things such as interacting with DeFi protocols and staking coins to earn interest. So if you're looking to regularly trade crypto or yield farm in and out of different farms, then there's nothing wrong with keeping some assets in a hot wallet. But if you're dealing with large amounts of money though, you'd probably be better off putting a bulk of it in cold storage. Now there's another thing called hosted storage. This refers to your private keys being held on a third-party server. Should the server be hacked, however, all the private keys held on that server would be exposed. That's a scary prospect for many people, so most exchanges actually keep most, if not all, of their users' funds in cold storage. So there are two important things to look for when looking for a wallet. First up, of course, is security. One thing to look for is two-factor authentication, or 2FA. In the event of your password being compromised, 2FA provides a second layer of verification to ensure that it's really you logging in, initiating a transaction, usually in the form of either a security code sent to your phone or a two-factor authentication app. Another security measure is known as multi-signature verification. This is when multiple device signatures are required to sign off on a transaction, hedging against a scenario in which a private key stored on one device is stolen. The second factor is utility. You have to keep in mind what blockchains and thus coins and tokens you can have does a wallet support. Can you actually send payments? Can you stake to earn interest? Can you interact with DeFi apps? And what other perks does it have? For example, if you choose to put your funds on a website like crypto.com, they offer a cashback Visa card. Or if you put your funds in a lending platform like BlockFi or Celsius, you can earn some extra passive income. There is no one-size-fits-all wallet, so let's take a look at some of the wallets that I think are the best in my own opinion. The best hardware wallet that I recommend is the Ledger Nano. There are two models of the Ledger Nano, the Nano S and the Nano X. Personally, I have the Nano S. I don't really need the functionality of the Nano X. However, if you're looking for something more high-tech, then the Nano X might be something worth investing into. The Ledger Nano gives you the ability to receive and send coins, and even goes above and beyond by integrating a desktop interface called the Ledger Live. It also supports 22 cryptocurrencies and over 1,500 ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. You have to actually plug in your Nano into the computer, punch in your passcode, and then sign off on it. It's a little bit inconvenient, but it's worth the security in my opinion. Another awesome thing with the Ledger Nano is that you can actually pair it up with the browser wallet MetaMask, which I'll talk to below. Now, my second wallet recommendation for the browser is MetaMask. You've probably heard about MetaMask, and it's popular for a really good reason. It's free, and in addition to allowing you to store and manage your own private keys, you can basically add any blockchain to your heart's content, allowing you to swap and trade basically almost any cryptocurrency out there. And instead of messing with these weird buttons on the Ledger Nano, you can actually just use your keyboard and your mouse to click and type your password in. If you're looking to buy Bitcoin on the native Bitcoin blockchain though, you can't really buy Bitcoin on the MetaMask wallet. You're going to have to buy a version of Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain, Binance blockchain, etc. Like I mentioned before, you can also connect your Ledger to the MetaMask wallet. Anytime you do a transaction on MetaMask, you're going to have to go through Ledger as well. This offers a second layer of security and is one of the most secure ways, in my opinion, to store your crypto. If you're looking for a mobile wallet, I use Trust Wallet or MetaMask Mobile. Now, Trust Wallet is really good in that it is a mobile app where you can actually trade on your phone. If you're an Android user, this means that you can trade to your heart's content. However, recently, if you're an iOS user, they got rid of the browser in Trust Wallet, meaning you can no longer go to other online sites like PancakeSwap and swap your tokens. That's kind of a bummer. However, MetaMask Mobile offers this ability, so if you're on iOS, I definitely recommend checking out MetaMask Mobile. Now, if you really want to store your crypto on an exchange, that's not really a bad idea. You're just gonna have to choose one that's pretty secure. In this case, I'll choose Coinbase as my pick. Coinbase does have a clean and intuitive user interface, and it makes it easy for beginners to buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies while viewing their growth on their portfolio value over time. And although it is a custodial wallet, Coinbase has taken great measures to protect assets. Not only does it keep a majority of your funds in cold storage, they ensure it against hacks and security breaches. So if you're just getting started, it's hard to go wrong with Coinbase. Finally, if you're looking for a software wallet that's also secure, you can check out something called Armory. Armory Secure Wallet is considered the pioneer of cold storage technology, as they protect your assets by holding your private keys in an offline computer that never touches the internet. Even more security is provided through multi-signature support, allowing you to require up to 7 different keys to sign off on any single transaction. Armory only supports Bitcoin though, has no mobile app, and offers no utility beyond plain old storage. So it's not very versatile in that regards. However, if you're looking just to buy Bitcoin, which is not a bad idea in my opinion, then Armory might be the way to go. So in the end, wallets are an important aspect of the crypto world. We all need wallets to store our cryptocurrency on, but they might be a little tricky to wrap your head around if you're new to the space. If you're still a little bit confused on which storage wallet you want to use for your crypto, feel free to reach out on Telegram and join our amazing community at RugDoc, where we can answer any question that you might have. So guys, what do you think about crypto wallets? What is your favorite wallet? And did I cover or miss any wallet in this video? Please leave a comment below or let me know your opinion any other way. As always guys, be safe in the DeFi space and have an amazing day.